Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this discussion, we will learn to set up billing alerts for an AWS account. We will be doing this as a root user, so we'll have all permissions as needed. We will also see later how to set up billing alerts as a IAM user as well as an IAM identity center user. If you are doing it as a IAM user, two very important things that you will need to take care. One, you have to go to account and you have to come to this section IAM user and role access to billing information. Click on edit and activate IAM access. Similarly, you have to go to IAM and you need to go to your user or group and you need to add a permission. Since this user has administrator access, he will have the billing permission also. Otherwise, you can just click on add permission, attach policies, search for billing and attach. But in our case, we will be just using the root user in this discussion. So first, you have to click on your username and go to billing and cost management. On the left sidebar, you can scroll down and click on billing preferences. And on this alert preferences pane, you can click on edit. You can select this option receive CloudWatch billing alerts. As you can see, once enabled, this preference cannot be disabled. Now, both of our alert preference options are selected, AWS free tier alerts as well as CloudWatch billing alerts. Now, we need to go to CloudWatch service dashboard. We can search for CloudWatch. As of now, for setting billing alerts, we need to select the region as North Virginia. We can click on alarms and we can click on create alarm. On the create alarm page, we can click on select metric and within the browse tab, we can click on billing. Then we can click on total estimated charge. We can select this checkbox for estimated charges and then click on select metric. We will leave everything as default. Metric name, estimated charges, currency USD, statistic maximum and period 6 hours. Under conditions, for threshold type, we will select static. For whatever estimated charges is, we will select greater, and for than, we will select a lower amount. For now, I'll go with 5. But in real projects, you would have already calculated a value, or your architects would have calculated a value. You can use that. Under additional configuration, we can select treat missing data as missing and click on next. In the notification page, alarm state trigger, we can select in alarm. For the SNS topic, for sending the notification, SNS is a symbol notification service. We will select create new topic. If you already have an existing SNS topic, then you may also select an existing SNS topic option and select your SNS topic. Since we don't have one, we can go with the create new topic. For email endpoints that will receive the notification, you can provide the email as needed. I'll just give admin at communitiescanada.ca. Once the topic is created, we need to go to this email and confirm it before starting to get notifications. Now we can click on create topic. If we want more notifications, we can click on add notification and then add additional notification options. But we will not do that now. We just need one notification for now. We can review things, click on next, provide a name for our alarm. We can also provide a description as mentioned here. Finally, we can click on next And in the preview and create page, we can check all options and finally click on create alarm. Setting up billing alerts is part of the recipe. Setting up IAM account aliases and billing alerts from chapter 1 of AWS Security Cookbook. You can find the book in Amazon. Make sure you buy the second edition of AWS Security Cookbook. You can also search my name, Hartin Kanigatotu, in Amazon in your country. You can get the second edition. Second edition is black, and the first edition is slightly orange. You can also read my notes on cloud at cloudrix.com. You can see the recordings of my sessions on cloud at my YouTube channel Cloudrix. You can find my contact information at codingarchitect.ca/contact. If you buy my book, please feel free to connect with me over WhatsApp or LinkedIn. Bye bye for now, and see you all in next class.